YouTube channel being compared to fentanyl for our kids' brains. I'm not kidding. It's that addictive, even being compared to nicotine. Why? They're using the same strategies that they use in Vegas and slot machines. 2 to 6 seconds frame changes, vibrant, bright colors, and the brain just gets pulled right into it. Our children are literally drawn to the vibrant colors, the frame changes, and even, as you see, these subtitles go along the bottom. They're much too fast for a child to read. They're literally, all they're doing is keeping our kids' brains addictive to the movement, even babies. Every 4 to 5 hours of screen time, studies show it can cause a nonverbal child. And not all screen time is created equal. This is far more addictive. And by the way, parents, when you take it away from your child, you're going to see fits of rage and behavior problems just like you would take a drug away from a drug addict. I'm not kidding. This stuff should come with warnings. It will in the future, but right now, parents, we need to keep our kids away from this addictive show. It's designed that way. It is literally designed to keep kids' attention. They're exchanging literally dollars and wealth for cognitive behavior. Warn your friends. Coco Melon's YouTube channel being